Hey everybody, I'm Jason, and this is Jay's Project Garage. So, I've been dodging raindrops all day. I'm cold, I'm tired. I've just about got the goat barn done. It's got a few things left to do on the outside of it, and I'm not doing it in the rain. But while I was working, I realized that I made a mistake in my last video. Because I'm getting old and memory's getting a little fuzzy, and everybody's allowed to make mistakes. So about the non-HO 50. The non-HO, the HO engines had forged pistons and roller cams. The non-HOs had cast pistons, and also some had roller cams, but they were a different firing order, and they were a lot tamer than what the HO one was. It was actually the trucks that had the flat tappet camshafts. So the HO would use the 351 firing order, and the non-HO would use the old school standard Ford firing order. So that was it. I just wanted to clear that up before I got called out in the comments. I did know, I forgot. So you guys get out in the shop and work on your projects. Have a great day, and I will see you next weekend.